Williamnagar ni sana cuma sisa.
Pasoka. Pacirangnya kan? Where are we going, Emma and Anna? Where?
Jengjal.
For what?
Buying petrol.
For buying petrol. Yes, we're going to Jengjal for buying petrol. Why? We're coming from Williamnagar to Jengjal to buy petrol. Why?
Because Williamnagar petrol is not good. Williamnagar petrol is not good.
What? Say it loudly.
Because Williamnagar petrol is not good.
Yeah, exactly.
Are cheating.
Not only cheating, plus the quality is not good, it seems, or else I don't know how. What is the reason behind it? So we're going to Jengjal. If you don't go out now, then you will be bored. By next week your school will open, and your school will be opening. Dokan bangja. Singa petrol rat na yang ya sabah ni. Burung dara. Oh, next ahead you will get some nice view. Bijan aku no foto ka ba? Oh, nice place oh. Makang si pak saya wa. S shape tak para ma. This is what This is Chiading Market. Chiading Market. Chiading Police outpost, or what they call this one, ma? Police outpost only, right? Chiading. People, they usually stop here for having food and tea while traveling from Williamnagar to Tura or Tura to Williamnagar. Ya, tolong mai mga chim. Mai ko wala chim new. Gongdang dolong. In this bridge, people used to stop and relax since it gives a beautiful view. Used to have some party here on the bridge, dance, meet some friends, rest. Even the view is behind it. Finally, we are here at the petrol pump. Jengjal. Yes, Sokchok. Jengjal petrol pump. Oh, it's closed. Why it's open? Oh, it's open. I thought it's closed. It's open. Come, Emma, come. Get inside. You enjoying Emma na? Kalkuna, the old chicken about spot. We're back to the same bridge.
Aliens
Jengjal kalau nggak bang? One night only he stayed at Min.
Aliens pagway ang ating padao.
Bridge. Dia busy yung mami.
Busy yung kamkain nga busy. Hongdang Bridge.
Aliens में बाबू दो जो हाँ
Smile. Love, 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 full of love. Yes. What's in here? I think it's there. Small streams over there. Papa. 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 Plumpy, plumpy. Apple, apple. Ripe apple. His cheeks are like ripe apples. Ba, Papa. Oh, plumpy, plumpy. Just like an apple. Wait, what are you having, Emma? Paratha. Paratha. Pork intestine. No. I'm having this.
Aku dah cakap apa?
Mami. Đây đi kìa bạn. Đi chợ bữa để đà đi nè sao? Thằng grab chẳng nghe mình nè. Mà từng
It is Sunday, that's why no vendors. Oh, here some of them are there. See,
What are those?
so many pumpkins, broccoli and pumpkins.
Apa
So where are we now? We
We
are
are
back home.